Imagine an AI that doesn't just wait for your commands, but one that reminds you, checks your projects automatically, and works 24/7 without you ever touching it. Sounds like magic. It's Claude Code's new loop feature. No more manual scheduling, no more constant checking. It just works for you automatically. Before we dive in, if you're ready to learn how to unlock these AI automation features and join a community of creators, join my school community. You'll get exclusive tips, personalized guidance, and much more. Click the link in the description below to get started. In the demo you just saw, I asked Claude Code to remind me to check my project. The AI immediately used a tool called Cron Create to schedule that reminder. A few minutes later, without me touching anything, the reminder message appeared. That's the power of loops. Loops allow Claude Code to repeat actions automatically. For example, I can tell it to check my Voho project every 10 minutes, monitor logs every hour, or even check if a deployment is finished. Instead of constantly asking the AI to check something again and again, the loop keeps running automatically in the background. The interesting part is how Claude Code actually performs these loops. When you ask it to check something every 10 minutes, it creates a cron job. A cron job is basically a scheduled command that runs automatically at specific intervals. Every time the timer hits that interval, the system sends a prompt back into the same session. This means the AI remembers what happened before and continues working with the same context. So instead of starting from zero each time, the agent keeps building on the previous steps and monitoring the project continuously. There are actually two different ways this system can work. The first one is a one-time reminder. For example, you can say, at 3 p.m., remind me to take out the garbage. Claude Code will schedule that task once, send the reminder at that time, and then delete the cron job automatically. The second option is recurring loops. Instead of running once, these tasks repeat again and again at specific intervals. For example, every 30 minutes check my deployment logs, or every hour remind me to stretch my neck. This makes Claude Code behave almost like a proactive assistant, constantly watching things for you. However, there are a few limitations you should understand. The biggest one is that loops only run for up to 3 days. This is mainly for safety, so you don't accidentally create hundreds of background tasks that keep running forever. After 3 days, the loop automatically expires. Another important limitation is that loops only exist inside the session where they were created. If you close the terminal or close the session, the cron jobs disappear. This means loops are great for short-term monitoring tasks, but they are not designed for long-term automation. This is where the difference between loops and scheduled tasks becomes important. Loops are designed for short-term help within a project session. They run for a limited time and are useful when you need something monitored right now. Scheduled tasks, on the other hand, are long-term automations. They can run daily, weekly, or indefinitely, and are stored persistently. In simple terms, loops are like asking an assistant to watch something for the next few hours, while scheduled tasks are like setting a permanent calendar event that repeats every week. There are actually many practical ways to use loops. You could have Claude Code check your email every 5 minutes if you're waiting for an important message. You could monitor deployment logs while a system update is happening. You could track changes in a project file or check whether a new pull request has been merged. Essentially, loops turn Claude Code into a proactive assistant that continuously checks information for you instead of waiting for you to ask. If you want to learn how to make these automations work for you and join a community of like-minded creators, join my school community. Get exclusive tips and support to take your projects to the next level. So in simple terms, loops allow Claude Code to repeatedly perform tasks inside the same session. They're perfect for short-term monitoring, reminders, and automation while you're actively working on a project. Scheduled tasks are better when you need something to run every day or every week. But together, these two features turn Claude Code into something much closer to a real AI assistant that can proactively help you instead of waiting for instructions. If you're serious about mastering automation and AI-driven workflows, join my school community today. You'll get exclusive content, personalized guidance, and much more. The link is in the description.